bibili akong gulay guys. Punta tayo doon sa Talipapa. Bili tayong gulay pang sinigang. Doon sa may tindahan na may bilihan ng gulay. Parang uulan. Talbos. Magkano to? Mas masarap yung talbos. Tapos may kamatis pa yata ako. May sampalok ka te. Kamyas. Wala rin. Ito na lang. Piso isa. Nandito na ako. Pauwi na ako. Lagay ko na yung luya at saka sibuyas. Ganito ako magluto guys ng sinigang na bangus. Yan, pakuluin ko muna siya. Pakuluin ko ulit. Ilagay ko na ang mga bangus. Ang isdang bangus. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko nga bumili ng tanglad guys. Kasi pag naggaganito ako, lalagyan ko talaga ng tanglad. Ganyan kasi kami sa probinsya magluto guys. Laging may tanglad. Sa probinsya nga, tanglad lang talaga. Wala nang
open up your eyes. I need a second chance. I need a friend, someone who's gonna stand by me right there till the end. If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the fire in your darkest night. I could be your curse or your angel. It's all in how you love me.
See, I never claimed to be, cause perfect is perception. Perception is all that they can see. A vacancy replacing these space and place where my heart should be. Harping on these emotions, self-loathing, broken. What's wrong with me? A song to me is more than just some bullshit in words. It's the only time some nobody like me will be heard. I was that kid that would get picked last. Never the one that would skip class. Never the puff when the piss passed. So me and a rap is a mismatch, right? You stereotype, I've been feeling uptight. I've been wanting to fight. I've been up every night as I write and I write. I've been looking for light in the darkest of night. It's a bit of a bite. Dream, that's what they told me. If I listened to your dumb ass, I'd regret it as the old me. never claimed to be. Cause perfect is perception, perception is all that they can see. Amazes me, I found a group of people who found faith in me. Team wit until my death, I'll fucking take that to the grave with me. They can't see through bullshit, so they're left with only fake and weak. 10 writers to write timber, spill my soul and no one's playing me. It's plain to see, they hating me. They take what they can take from me. They'll never find no fake in me. They said my dream was make-believe. Well, thankfully, I use your hate to me to motivate. You see, I can be your everything, or every day your enemy, or every day your memory. You might just be a friend to me. You spend your time defending me, but me is all I tend to be.
Sinigang na bangus, guys. Kalamansi.
Ang ating natin sa ating sinigang na bangus. Para mabango talaga siya, guys. Pag hindi naman kalamansi ang pang-asin ko, guys, yung ano, yung bunga ng kamyas. Kaso walang kamyas yung tindahan na binigyan ko ng talbos, kaya kalamansi na lang. Mabango din naman kasi ito pang-asin, guys. Hindi natin isama yung mga buto, guys, kasi mapait. Pagkalagay natin ito, guys, hindi natin kailangan pasobrahan ng pakulo. Kung ano, pag nilagay ko ito, napatay na yung apoy. Ayun.
So, kalamansi juice. Ilagay na natin. Yan, yung sabaw niya, guys, parang magatas yan. Kukulay gatas. Ayan. Ayan, guys, ganyan ang aking style magsinigang ng bangus, guys. Ayan ang style Alice. Tama lang ang hasip. Tapos yung talbos, guys, nagre-red siya pag malagyan na ng kalamansi.